These are the elevators at the Gulfgate Public Library in Sarasota, Florida. This is a February 2018 retake. For those of you who have been with my channel for a while, you may remember that I featured these elevators in not my first, not my second, but my third elevator video, filmed in August 2016. And now we're here 18 months later. Actually almost 19 months, because I filmed it in early August. We're gonna switch on 2. So these elevators were installed in probably late 2014 because this library opened in January 2015. And these are Mad BS vandal resistant fixtures. Now we're going to switch to the other elevator. This one's got a rear door. 1R is the workroom. Let's start with the cab view. Alright, 1R is going to open on the right. Then 1 is on the left here. Here we are on 2. We're going to end it back down at 1. And here we are at 1.